Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to duplicate objects. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, here we are. Let's open a new file. Now, to duplicate objects, it's a very crucial operation in Blender, which will be used in a variety of situations. And I don't really say it's just for objects, you can use it to duplicate other things as well, but it's mainly used in objects. So now, let's see. To simply do it, you need to select your object, and we're going to use the hotkey. It's a hotkey. There is no buttons on the side right here, which is good. I mean, it's going to help you get the thing done faster instead of clicking here. So yes, Shift D, and you'll see another object of the object that you selected up here. Now, right now, you can see that it's moving kind of like this. Now, basically, after you press Shift D, it just switches to the operation of grab. Basically, it just adds another one of your selected object, and it's the grab operation. So now you just have to decide where you want to move it. You can move it on the X and put it right here. So like you just click it and there you go. Or if you want to duplicate it and put it in the same place, you can also right click and it will stay at the same place. Now right now it might look like nothing happened, but actually it's just on top of each other like this. Now you can also do Control C and Control V. It's not really used most of the time, so yeah, just stick with Shift D and you should be good. That is it for this video. I haven't really made a video on like short, quick operations for a while. The last time I made it was like probably last year. So yeah, good thing I'm on this again. Now, if you want me to cover any like basic operations, like maybe edit mode, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.